Here's the 421 Golden Eagle. Let's get a look at it. Nice paint job. Fairly new paint. Oh, very clean. Very clean. Geared engines. I think they're 325 a side. Very clean. Big motor. I don't know what the storage is or baggage compartments. Very nice. Very nice. All right, we're gonna wait till Scott gets here. Open it up. Let's look inside. There's the baggage compartment. 345 pounds. Blow down bottom. Ooh, nice. Lots of room up here. Here's the 421. Got the standby instruments. All Garmin. 2 750s. 2 500. There's your fuses. Throttle quadrant. It's pretty fancy. Looks like the seats crank up and down. All kinds of adjustments. Nice sheepskin covers. Good view.
Do you need to do anything else?
Very nice.
He said we can run it up, and and then pretty much as long as we're good with it. They don't want us to fly it. They don't want us to fly it. Okay. Which is fine. We've flown it twice, but just want to do the ground run up, and then we tell them we're good with it. Okay. It's ours. Let me run inside real quick.
This little screw come out.
You already broke it?
That sold your seatbelt. That's not. It was just laying there. So you either need to take them both out or put that one back in.
Yeah, we need to put that
back. Got 2 seats here, 2 seats there. Now this one you could take out if you wanted to.
You would normally take the one out, number 8 back there. Take that one out,
and then this slides back
up.
or slides back.
Yeah, when you take off, you'd slide this one up so you'd have it back there.
Okay. And is this the potty right here that I'm sitting on, or?
Yep, that's the potty.
What do we got in here? Oh, we got some kind of cover. What is that? A seat cover?
Covers.
Like sheepskin? All right. Oh yeah, that gives you more room.
Plenty of room back there.
So you normally leave this seat in. Take this one out?
Yeah.
Could you take that one out too?
Some people do, yeah.
To give you more room to come in and out?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Nice.